Yeah. Anybody got a match?
I got a lighter.
Just blaze.
What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Today is going to be an awesome day. We are finally installing the new Yoshimura Full Exhaust for the DRZ. We also have the 3x3 mod we're going to attempt to do, and we have the JD kit. Fortunately enough, Jeremiah decided to put away a Saturday for me at his work, so we're up here today. I'm going to film them as best I can. A few of his guys are doing training and such like that. Jeremiah's already inside tearing down the bike, so let's get inside. Bam. Jeremiah likes the pipe. Yeah, in your fucking wildest dreams, dog. All right, so the panels, he already snatched off while I was outside doing 40 takes for the intro. The seat has to come off. The side panels have to come off. That exposes the bike to literally bare bones, man. I did not know that like two panels were the only thing holding it together. Well, okay, and the fender. Over there. You don't have to drain the tank to pull it. Okay, that's good to know. I missed some shit while I was outside. It was the 2 bolts on either side, and then just the fairing cover pieces, and then the 2 bottom bolts for the gas tank. Yes. Word. Yeah, let's get it before real quick. Let me see. There's no gas in there. I'm an idiot.
Gas in the car. I mean, there's gas in the carburetor, but it'll turn off by itself.
You think? That's your before. Oh yeah. Where's the double-handed part? I guess you're like, you need 2 hands if you're doing this by yourself.
Getting it all together.
Getting it. Oh, you mean when you're feeding it through?
Yeah.
Okay. And did you have this for breakfast this morning?
Yeah, I had carnitas tacos for breakfast. I had carnitas for breakfast.
Yeah.
It's warm. Yeah, no shit.
He's like, help me. Looks like that's caught on that ring.
Got it.
Look how strong he is, guys. Now, there's a deep thing in there you gotta loosen up to get it out. There we go. No BS, 2 dates?
If I was vegetarian, there wouldn't be
actually
egg
really
whites.
good. Those are good.
They're crack.
Did you go keto on us, man?
No,
Hey, bro, I got some sweet fucking tasteless ass flavorless snacks in my dorky one. Fucking cook.
I hate him so much.
You want some Hershey's?
Try it before you knock it.
I'm not eating that shit. It's got 3 egg whites in it, bro. Okay, you got the duty. Yep. Okay. Oh. We got some engineering going on here. Okay, don't look at that because he's welding over there. All right, camera, thank you. That's smart. So you're saying you did it this way because you don't have to take the radiator off?
Correct.
The standard DRZ mod that everybody runs typically is this so-called 3x3 mod where you cut a 3" by 3" hole directly into the airbox. So this is going to come out, and then are you sitting here in like a hot razor blade?
Cut off wheel.
Motherfucker, are you serious?
Yeah, bro.
All right, so we're not gonna do the hot razor blade. We're just gonna do a cut off wheel. Stay tuned for that. So this is kind of like a ridiculous process to keep filming over and over. I'm gonna let him get into a groove so I stop slowing him down. It's 2 bolts, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. One needed a long thing, 1 needed a short thing. That's it. See you in a minute. So after some wiggling, we got that butted up. Now we're just waiting on the last part. One thing Jeremiah did point out, he pointed out that in some of the bolt kits that you get for the exhaust, the rear might not be long enough. So we shall see.
A nice ass truck.
You're the fucking man, Kirk.
I try.
Thank you, man.
Tasking you with placing this inside that muffler hole.
Thank you. I'll take that. Oh, I got a job, guys. I'm gonna do what Jeremiah does at work. Hang on, ready?
Yeah, Matt's used to not working.
Oh, that's good. I'm leaving it. All right, I have to finger fuck this back into submission, guys. See you in a second.
What is that?
Yeah, we don't need this thing.
Is that a silencer?
Yeah, we don't want this.
Alright, you throw that in the trash.
Throw that away.
Yeah, what is?
Quitters. And the exhaust on my bike.
So he removed. Is it the baffle? I guess.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be a baffle. It's still. So what is it?
Arrestor.
Spark. Wait, this is the spark arrestor? This is going to prevent it from shooting flames, though.
Yes. We wanted to shoot
So
flames.
throw that thing away.
Mine's, if you go open my toolbox drawer,
Now
it's
you
sitting
can
in
go-
there.
You can go
All right.
pow pow now and shoot some flames out the back.
Yeah.
Bro, that shit looks ill.
Huh?
He's got a baby.
Man. I have to make an access hole for the air fuel adjustment screw.
What are you doing in here?
We're just loosening this bad boy up. I'm not pulling the bike apart.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn everything and do it all with it still on the bike.
Okay. Wait, I paid $70
For screws.
for 2 needles.
And a sticker. That's like a $50 sticker.
Yeah. What are you reading? What are you grabbing?
We're going off all the jetting for our elevation. So we're gonna use the blue needle. Kirk's pulling out of the bag. Bam. We're gonna switch.
if you use the red?
That's higher elevation. It runs
Yeah.
like shit.
Oh.
Like anywhere other than underwater Newport News.
Yeah.
Underwater.
So we're gonna use a 25 pilot, clip position 4, and a 170 main.
So what bracket are you loosening right now?
Loosening up the throttle cable so that we have access to twist the carburetor.
Give me chop towels. I'll clean it. Jeremiah made a mess.
Very important. Do not lose that O-ring.
Okay.
My mess?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's an accident.
Well, I'll pop it all back apart.
There you go. Okay. Oh, so the needle goes inside there.
So you got thick washer on the bottom,
Yep.
little plastic spacer,
Yep.
thin washer on the top.
Blue needle.
Blue needle.
And it all goes together like that.
All slides down in there.
Yeah, you're good. You're right. That's jetting it?
That's part of the jetting.
Oh, okay.
Fuck, I gotta get the spring fell out. This is the shitty part.
Do you want me to get you a chair so you can sit down?
No, that's good.
Alright. Alright, so you put the first needle in the jet kit, and now you're, I guess, what, just reassembling the throttle cable?
Pulling the throttle cable bracket off
Okay.
to make room so I can do the lower part.
This is the worst part of this whole thing.
Isn't that necessarily the bolt?
What,
Yeah.
doing this bottom part of the carburetor piece, or
Yep.
we're getting it off?
Getting it off. These screws always tend to round out. That's why JD's kind enough to send you new bolts.
So Jeremiah needed a little bit more room to be able to turn the carburetor to get to a few of the other spots. We just got excited to put the exhaust on first and totally forgot that he needed to do that. So took the exhaust back off to get clearance, and now he has it where he wants it. Yeah. Anybody got a match?
I got a lighter.
Just blaze.
Kaboom! There.
Hold it. All right. So a little bit of a wrap up. Put the exhaust on. Had to retake the exhaust back off to be able to get the PVC canister container out so that he had a better angle on the carburetor. He was going to lean it this way, but it's much better leaning it on the left side of the bike. 4 bolts on the bottom of the carb hold it on. They do wash out. They do round off really easy. They do supply more screws for you to put back in place of it, but Jeremiah spent the last like 10 minutes on this bastard, but finally got it. Final thoughts?
5 fuel injected.
Warranty individual bits. What does that do?
It's a new fuel screw, I think, right?
No, it just gives us access to the fuel screw.
It gives us access to the fuel screw.
So I have to take it all the way in and then take it out 2.5 turns.
Why is it covered up?
Factory settings. I'm not unlocking cheat codes right now.
I mean, in a sense, yeah.
It's all the way in.
And 2.5 out.
1, 2.
Just saying, like, why is it like that?
So they cut. Wow. All right, so it's probably not gonna focus, but right there where my finger's at, he drilled through some metal and then backed the screw out 2 turns, 2.5, 2 turns, whatever. 3x3?
3x3.
Oh, you took it down. Voila. Is that El Junco now?
That's junk.
Oh, so that you just take it to the, I guess, the old opening, is what you're saying. You think that's 3 inches, dog?
Hold that out the way.
Just main harness. Just, dude, I am not putting my fucking hand. Dude, no. Give me a fucking. Hang on. Fuck you. Oh, dude, I'm gonna end up. That's so ridiculous.
How to
man.
make a DRZ fast. Cut a hole in the airbox.
All right, so we had the before. Now here's the after. 3x3 mod, JD Jet Kit, Yoshimura Full Exhaust, 2021 Suzuki DRZ, installed by yours truly, JD Neal in 1988 on Instagram, boys. So this video was just to wrap up the exhaust and like the install for all of the performance parts. Jeremiah doesn't have time to install the rest of the parts that came in that some of you may have seen on social media. We wanted to do that in this video too, but it would have just been way too long. Jeremiah has to jet to Emporia, like I said. So we're gonna do like a part 2 for the clutch, the hand grips, the fender eliminator because it's disgusting. So stay tuned. Thank you. He doesn't have a ton of time. I'm gonna take it down the street real quick, just to make sure everything like holds on. Hey gang. I'm gonna take it down the street real quick, make sure everything works properly. If there's any like minor tweaks we need to make, we can make them now. But sorry if the video was like short and kind of staged weird. We had a lot of noise going on in the shop. His boss was nice enough to let us be here, so I'm not gonna complain. So if the quality wasn't up to y'all's par, eat a dick. But yeah, enjoy the video. I'm gonna get a couple shots of the bike rolling. You'll see me on the bike. Oh, that's nice. Oh, bro, she breathes. It's a totally different motorcycle. Yeah, this is insane. I don't know how much wind we have right now. It's kind of like a little bit of wind today. And for those of you who can hear me right now, this is fantastic. This is how the bike should come from the factory. Oh my goodness. The response is insane. The throttle control just feels absolutely perfect. And it's just unforgiving, unrelenting. I can't thank for the money that I spent that I received this type of gain. This is fantastic, man. I love it. Super happy. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Now you just want to brap everywhere, dude. Brap, brap. Man, I don't know how to thank you enough. That's fucking sick. He busted it out all in like hour-and-a-half job. We had to stop and start a little bit with like the filming and me spilling shit and making all the noise in the shop. This is how it should come from the factory. Yeah.
Then it'd get boring though.
I don't know.
It'd get boring because then you'd have nothing to do to it.
Well, yeah, but like, damn, it's like a totally different bike. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna like piece together the video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Shout out Kirk for hanging out, doing some food snack runs. Yeah, obviously Jeremiah for getting the bike done. Obviously thanks boss for getting allowing us to do this. As always guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. But until next time, peace.